Welcome back, creators. Today, I am going to help you settle the ultimate debate and choose exactly which website builder is right for you, Webflow or Elementor, so you can start building without second guessing. Let's dive right in. First, you need to evaluate your technical comfort level and where you want your site to live. Elementor is a plugin built specifically for WordPress, meaning you have to set up your own external hosting and install WordPress before you can even start. It uses a very beginner-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly fast to get a standard layout up and running. However, this convenience relies heavily on extra plugins, which can sometimes lead to slower loading speeds and complex maintenance. On the other hand, Webflow is a standalone platform with fully integrated hosting. It operates much more like visual coding, meaning you're essentially structuring HTML and CSS through a visual interface. This gives it a steeper learning curve, but it produces incredibly clean, lightning-fast code and offers unmatched control over complex animations. Next, think carefully about your actual design process. If you're already mocking up your custom layouts and UI elements inside Figma, Webflow is going to feel like a seamless extension of your workflow, especially since you can easily transfer those specific assets directly over. Elementor gives you tons of fantastic pre-made widgets, but forcing those widgets to perfectly match a highly customized from-scratch design can sometimes feel restrictive. Once you weigh your technical experience against your design needs, you'll have a clear path forward to build a highly customized professional website that perfectly fits your workflow, allowing you to launch your project faster and with total confidence. If this platform breakdown helped you finally make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward web design tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which platform you're choosing to build with, and I will see you in the next video.